Bonjour à tous. Aujourd'hui, je suis allé à haute montagne dans la Vosges. Donc, on a essayé de balader un peu. Il fait froid, malheureusement, il fait très froid avec vent. Donc, on a marché quand même. Maintenant, j'ai en train de descendre et rentrer à Épinal. So, yeah, I'm driving back home now. I was in the mountain to walk on the snow and also to see the snow of this year. So I did walk a bit, but then the temperature is fine. It's -7, -6 degree. Usually temperature is not the one which gets affected, but which makes us affect. But problem is the wind. Too much of wind, so that's the reason I couldn't stay there. So now thinking to go back home. But yeah, if not, it was a good walk. Took some pictures and stopped in between. Yeah, so temperature also going up and down. That's the reason, on the tree you don't see much snow. It has melted. But I think today or tomorrow it's gonna snow again, so you'll have a lot of snows on the everywhere on the trees and so on. But for the road, yeah, like I said in the previous videos, they clean with the particular machine, like a dozer. They clean once or twice in a day. I think early morning to clear the road, and sometimes if there is a snow, it may be during the day as well. So it depends upon the conditions. So yeah, also they apply the salt on the road. Why salt? Because with the salt, the snow gets melted faster. Here also you have a spot you can stop and you can see the mountain views. It's beautiful. Yeah, so you can have the view of the lakes and so on. But yeah, soon it's gonna snow. So when it snows, you will see everywhere white, even the trees. Yeah, so while driving also you should be careful while applying brake. Don't apply brake suddenly, apply gradually. And steering as well, not to steer suddenly, slowly you have to steer. And if it is a manual gear, so gearbox, so try to change the right gear during the slowdown or during the slope or during turning. So yeah, and yeah, I mean, if it is darker and if it is snowing, also try to use the right lights, headlights and all, to get more visible for others. Yeah, clean your windshield if there is some snow or some salt materials and all. Keeping the windshield is always safe and better. So yeah, it's a kind of, it's a mountain. Now I'm going down, so on the downside it's lesser and lesser snow. But I wanted to go for like 3-4 hours of walking, but unfortunately because of the weather, meaning because of the wind, couldn't go for longer. Yeah. So idea is also here to show some views of the Vosges, and you travel virtually. That's the idea. Yeah, if you have some suggestions, go ahead with that. Also very important to wear the right gears, right jacket, right gloves and caps and so on. Shoes, for example, what happens is that on the shoe, if the shoe is bad and if water goes inside, then you get more cold. So yeah, you should be having right gears, very important. Also carry something to eat, because when you climb up to the mountain, you are walking, so it consumes energy. Plus body also have to heat up, right? So it consumes more energy. So you have to eat correct food and so on. So don't forget to bring some food. Also some warm water to drink. Yeah. So I'm almost getting down. On the left side I have a lake, but yeah, I'm almost getting down. Also respect the safety distance between the vehicles. Respect the speed. Yeah, and also yeah, inside the car I have a heating system on. left on the down. So you see these are the particular houses built for the mountains, built for the